Good day, students. Today we are going to cover Chapter 3 Averages from Cambridge Primary Maths Workbook 6. Let's start. Chapter 3 is about averages. There are three methods to find average: mode, median, and mean. Do you know why do we find average? What is the purpose of finding an average? It helps us to find a single value that represents the whole set of numbers. When we find a central value, we came to know that there must be some numbers before it and there must be some numbers after it, but the center number lies here. Let's assume that we have some set of numbers, or you appear in a test and you got different numbers like this. Now you will find an average number that represents your whole set of marks. You will get a better idea when we will start our exercise. So let's start our exercise first. In exercise 3.1, in the first question, you need to find out mean of the following numbers. This is the most common method to find average. What will you do? You will first arrange the number and add them. Like 732 will be 237 and add them. This is the first step in finding an arithmetic mean or mean. 2 plus 3 plus 7 is 12. We got the sum of these three numbers. Now what will we do? In our second step, we will divide this number, the sum of all the numbers, with the quantity of numbers. How many numbers do we have? We have three numbers, 7, 3 and 2. So we'll divide our sum with number 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. This is our second step. Remember, you have to take two steps. First, sum all the numbers, then divide the numbers with the total values. This is how you find mean. Let's move on to second question to get better understanding. Let's arrange these numbers and add them. 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10. Sum of all numbers is 30. Now we will divide 30 by 5 because we have 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. We got our arithmetic mean. The mean is 6. In question 2, we are asked about range. How to find range? Range is maximum value minus minimum value. Maximum or highest value given in the question minus minimum value or the lowest value given in the question. This is the formula of range. Let's see our question. The maximum value given here is 11. This is highest mass and the minimum value here is 2. So 11 minus 2 is equals to 9. That's all. In part B, the highest value is 150 gram and the lowest value is 103 grams. So 150 minus 103, that will be 47 grams. Next question, we have 4 statements with 4 set of numbers. Let's get an idea of range, mean, median and mode first. We know range is maximum value and minus minimum value. We have learned what is mean. Add all the numbers, all the given numbers, add them and then divide them with the total number of values given. Now median. What is median? Median, you can understand with the name, it's mid. Mid means middle value. The central value of the data is median. So you have to just find the central value. For that, you have to arrange all the numbers first. If you will not arrange, the central number will not be accurate. So first arrange the data or the set of numbers in ascending order and then you can find what is the central number. See, if you have given 5 numbers, the third number is your central number. Mode is the easiest one among all. The most repetitive number among the set of numbers is the mode. You just don't need to find anything. You just have to look which number is repeating most of the times and it is my mode. That's it. Take a look at our question. Now I have made a box which has 4 columns. One is range, another is mean, median and mode. Now I will find the range of all the 4 sets of numbers. In my first set, 5 and 8 are maximum and minimum values, so the range is 3. In second, 9 is the maximum and 3 is the minimum, so the range is 6. In the third one, 7 is the maximum and 2 is the minimum, so the range is 5. Now 7 is the maximum and 1 is the minimum, so range is 6. I got to know that the third dataset has range 5, so I will match my first statement with my third set of data. Now I will exclude third set dataset because it has already connected. Now the second statement said the mode is 5. Mode means the most repeated value. Let's find which set of numbers has mode 5. So you can see the first set of number has 2 5, so it has mode 5. Second set has only 1 5, it means no mode. We'll skip the third one as it has already connected, and again in the fourth set it has 2 6, so it has the mode 6. Now what was my requirement? My requirement is the mode is 5. So I got to know that the first data set has mode 5. So I will connect my first data set with the second statement. The third statement is saying the median is 5. Now I have two sets only, number 2 and number 4. So I have to find the median 5. As I told you that median is the middle number of the data, so I have to arrange my sets in the ascending order. First I'll write them in ascending order, then I'll find their median. 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9. I arrange them in ascending order. You can see the middle value is 5. So the median is 5 here. In the last data set 1, 5, 6, 6 and 7 is the ascending order and 6 is the middle value. We want our 5 as a median. So we will connect our second data set with the third statement. Now the situation is very clear. We have only one statement and one data set. So mean is 5. We don't need to calculate even, but still we will calculate it to make it more obvious. So 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 7 is equals 25, and there are 5 values, so we'll divide them with 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5 and the mean is 5. So it's correct that the fourth statement is connected with the fourth set of numbers. I hope that you will get the clear understanding of this question. It was very easy, but it just required more concentration. Next question is easy one. You can do it yourself. Still, I'll do it. You have to sum all the scores Jenny got in her test. Is 88 is the score of Jenny, and total number of tests she appeared as 8. So 88 divided by 8 is. Now for Carrie's mean score, sum of all numbers Carrie's score is 80, and a number of tests she appeared is also 8. So 80 divided by 8 is 10. Now in part C there are 4 descriptions. We have to choose the correct one. So third and fourth are the correct description of our question. Solution for question 5. 6. Although question 6 could have more than one right answer, but I have chosen this set of numbers. Let me explain you a little bit. You have to more concentrate on median and mode. See, the first set is saying mode 16 and median 16. So mode is means 2 times repeating number, and median is saying the middle number. We have 2 middle number. It means both should be 16, and because they are coming twice, so mode is also 16. In our part B, median is 17.5. Because we have 2 medians, so we will add both the medians and divide them by 2. So in this way we can get 17.5. And 18 will be the repeated number because 18 is the mode. In part C, 15 and 17 bimodal. Bimodal means the statement has 2 modes, 2 repeating numbers, which are 15 and 17. So we will write 15 twice and 17 twice. And because the median is 16, it means we have to write median 1 as 15 and median 2 as 17. So we can get 16 as our median. 15 plus 17 divided by 2 will be 16. Question 7 is a challenge. Here is like we have given mean already, which is number 6, but we have one value is missing, so we can't find the sum. For finding a mean, we know that sum of all values will divided by the number of quantities, and we get our mean, which is already given 6. We know that there are 4 numbers, so we'll write number 4. But we don't know the sum. So finding the sum, we will use the formula. Because I have to remove this 4 here, so I can find what is the sum of all numbers, I will multiply this equation with number 4 on both sides. Because I have to cancel this 4, so I'll put multiply 4 on both sides of the equation. Now on left side 4 is cancelled by 4. On right side I got 6 times 4 is 24. So I know that because 24 is equals to 24, so must be the sum of all numbers is 24. When I know that the sum of all number is 24, it's easy for me to find the fun number. When I'll subtract all numbers from 24, I'll get what is the last number. Let's say these three numbers is equals to 22 and I have to reach 24. So 2 must be the last number. Let's do it again with part B. This time I can go more simple for you. Let's say if you have already given a mean, which is 10. Now what you can do for your convenience is just count all the numbers. There are 5 numbers, so multiply with that number. So mean is 10, multiply by number of values given. 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. 50 is the sum of all values. When you have given a situation like this, just multiply mean by the number of values and you will get, what will you get? Sum of all numbers. This is not our number. This is the sum of all the numbers given. And for finding that one single number, you will subtract all the numbers given. Like 15 minus 14 minus 11 minus 9 minus 7, and you will get the one single digit which is missing in the data, and this is 9. Here you go. Let's do it one more time. 15 is our mean and we have total 5 values, so 15 times 5 is 75. Now I'll subtract all the given values from 75. 75 minus 11 minus 19 minus 18 minus 13, and then I will get my last number, which is 14. I read the answers of D and E. Try to practice it yourself. Here is the solution of question 8 and question 9. Thank you for watching.